Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I have a new light here from ThruNite. This is actually called the Archer Pro. I have not opened this yet, so we're going to take it out, check it out, see what some of the specs are. This one's boxed up a little bit different than a lot of their lights. I'm going to take it out here and see what we have. So here we have the instructions. Here we have a USB to USB-C cable. And here we have the Archer Pro. That's actually a small light. I actually thought it was going to be bigger than that from the box, but I do like small lights sometimes, boy, they're real handy at times to carry with you. This one's cool because it does have the belt clip. It has both ways. You can actually clip this on the bill of your hat. Have it clipped on the bill of your hat like this, slide it on. So, cool looking light. Now this looks like it, from the looks of this orange peel inside here, if you can see that. This is going to not be a spotlight, it's going to be more of a flood. So we open this up right here, should be where we charge it. Our USB-C is right inside here. And that's where we plug it in to charge it. So that's kind of unique. But a good part about it is it does protect the charging port when you have this, because there's an O-ring right here. So when you close this down, it's going to protect that charging port, keep all the water out. It's going to have the lithium-ion battery. So to turn it on, we actually have the button right here on the bottom. Push it, turn it on, hold it down. So it does have the variable light, so if you hold it down it goes dim, and when it flashes that means it's all the way on dim. High power, we hold it down long enough and it goes, when it flashes that means we're all the way on high. And double click, we're on turbo. Triple click, we are on strobe. Wow, bright little light for being as small as it is. Turn it back on, we're going to be back on high. So it does have memory. It keeps it in the same position like if you was about halfway. Turn it off. It's going to be back in that light mode that you was in before you turned it off, so the memory's nice. Then if we hold it down, we have Firefly, which is the real super low power and lasts a long time. It's not very bright inside here where the light is, but I'm sure at night it'd be adequate in a real dark situation, survival mode where you needed a lot of light for a long period of time. That's what this would be good for. So if we look at the specifications here, we can see the different modes that it has. It tells us what lumens we're pulling and how long it lasts. So strobe mode is 92 lumens. Lasts 260 minutes. Firefly, which is that one that was real low, 0.41 lumens, 15 days. That's pretty incredible that light will last 15 days on Firefly. Infinity low, which I said is variable, so we have infinity high, infinity low. Infinity low is 13 lumens and will last 37 hours. Then we have infinity high, so if we hold it down so it goes all the way to high, 478 lumens, and it will last 1 minute on that, and then it will actually drop the intensity down to save your battery, save your LED, to keep the heat down. It's going to drop down to 208 lumens, and then after that it will last 150 minutes. And then over here when we click it on turbo, same way. You turn it on turbo, then after 1.5 minutes it's going to drop down to a lower intensity. 1022 lumens, and it'll last 1.5 minutes. Then it drops down to 191 lumens and will last 145 minutes after that. So very cool little light. Let's take this thing out at night and check it out and see what it's like. Okay, so here we have it out here at night. That's on infinity low. Hopefully you can see that. There we go. Get the light on it. Not too bad. I mean, it's not super bright, but as far as walking out at night, you could actually see and get by with that. Not bad. We hold this button down on the end here. We're going to go back. We're going to go to infinity high. There, when it flashes, we know we're all the way up on infinity high. And actually, that's pretty darn bright right there. Let's see if we can see up here in the trees. There we go. Get the camera just right. It's actually mist and rain out here. It's not raining, but it's misting pretty good tonight. So hopefully don't get on my camera lens and mess up this video. Let's double tap this and go into turbo. And there's turbo, which is actually, you can see the camera drop down, so this thing is super bright on turbo. Really nice. So let's triple click it and we'll go to strobe. So if strobe bothers you, you might not want to see this, but here we go. And there's strobe. Pretty cool effect. We're gonna have to get over here to something close so you can see lighting something up. I mean, it's really, really dim. But hey, that's what you need in survival. Something that's gonna last a long, long time. Okay, back on, so we're on infinity high again. This is an impressive little light for such a small light. Rechargeable by USB. Plug this thing into your motorcycle, if you carry the motorcycle, into your vehicle. Throw it in your purse. Carry it in your glove box. You can throw this thing on your belt clip. Like I said, put it on your hat. Super cool, low price. Awesome little light from ThruNite. So they make top quality lights. So here you guys go. Put a link where you can check this thing out. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Catch you on the next one.